Hey everyone, so in this video, I'll show you how to organize your Gmail inbox automatically. If your inbox is messy, full of promotions, or hard to manage, yeah, this full guide for 2026 will help you clean it up without manual work. First, open Gmail settings and enable inbox categories. This lets Gmail automatically sort emails into primary, promotions, social, and updates. If you want important emails first, enable priority inbox. Gmail learns which emails matter to you and puts them at the top. Now, create Gmail filters to organize emails automatically. You can filter by sender, subject, or keywords and send emails straight to labels. When creating a filter, choose a label or create a new one. This keeps similar emails grouped together. Newsletters, bills, work emails. To reduce clutter, you can skip the inbox for certain emails. They'll still be saved under labels, just not in your main inbox. Use stars and importance markers to help Gmail learn what's important. The more you interact, the smarter automatic sorting becomes. For older emails, select multiple messages and apply labels or archive them. This helps reset your inbox and makes automation work better. And yeah, that's how to organize your Gmail inbox automatically in 2026. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.